We'll guide you through how to set a background image in VS Code with CSS and HTML. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Make sure that the background image is in the same folder as the HTML and CSS file. Here I'm moving the background image into the same folder. Now go to the search bar, search for VS Code and open it. Here this is the same folder with HTML, CSS and the background image that I have opened in VS Code. Now I'll show you the HTML file before and after adding the background image. Here this is how it looks before adding the background image. Now here you can see I have already linked the CSS file to the HTML file. Now go to the CSS file and here type the following: body space brackets. Now inside brackets type background dash image colon space URL brackets, and inside brackets write the name of the image. Here it is background.jpg. Now save it. Now here you can see the background image has been applied. Here since the background image is big, that's why it is zoomed in, but if it was small then it would have repeated. Now to prevent this and to make it look better, you can add these following 5 lines, and here you can see the difference. Thanks for watching.